Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this quick video today, we are going to be talking about how to make money with PLR content. So let's jump right in. There's plenty of strategies, and today I'm going to show you a unique strategy, how we can actually make videos quickly from PLR content, and the content will already be done for us and we can use it in this way. So we're going to come over here, and my favorite place to get PLR products, I have a lifetime subscription, so it makes sense to use this place. It's called BigProductStore.com. If you want to check it out, you can go ahead and click the link below. I believe they do have a free trial. They do have free products here, so you can click on free products. And they have a list of free products to get you started. But if you want to get access to over 10,000 of their PLR products, then you can join the store today. And they usually have sales. Let's go check that out and see what they're running this month. They are doing a special flash sale, up to 50% discount for selected memberships. So you can push that button and then it'll take you over here. The normal price is $27 per month. And right now they're running it at a 36% discount, $17 a month. You can pick this up and download a bunch of stuff to last for months of your business, and then just go ahead and cancel and then re-sign up anytime you need a bunch of PLR. Or you can just quit fiddling around with paid memberships, and you can buy at one time. This is the best deal. They're offering a 50% off, and so you'll pay $98.50, and then you'll never have to worry about getting PLR content again. So this is really what I recommend if you are serious about your business. So I'm going to come back up, and I'm just going to go ahead and log into the system. I'm going to go back over to home, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and go members login real quick, and then I'm going to push login, and it's going to log me in, and then we're going to go to browse all products, and we can see all the different types of products. There's yoga, secrets revealed, walking. And so like this one, it's April 3rd, 2021. And so this product just hit today, right? This yoga one just hit today. So let's go ahead and check that out. I'm just going to click on that for purposes. Now you can come over here. It's a private label rights, and you can get what this is about. And sometimes there's some additional information there, but I'm gonna go ahead and just download the product. And then once it downloads, it's 60 megabytes. Then what we're going to do is go and check out the file. All right, so this is what it looks like after you extract the file. It's a PLR book. You have a couple covers, and you have the ebook and the license information. We're going to open up the book, and then this is great. They give you Word documents and a PDF. I usually will use the Word document, which I find is easier to work with. And then I'll enable editing, and then you have different chapters. So every single one of these chapters. So let's just say, for example, you have a yoga YouTube channel, or you can start a yoga YouTube channel. It's a big enough niche to where you could certainly stay busy for a long time. There's different types of yoga. So, I mean, you could almost niche down and just do a YouTube channel just based on one type of yoga, or you can certainly make it about all types of yoga, and then you would have plenty of videos, and you would never, not have enough. So what is the science of yoga? You could certainly just grab one of these. So you could actually do, there's 10 chapters in this book, and we're looking at 10,000 words. So this is the jackpot. When you get a piece of PLR content that's 5 to 10,000 words, you can make a full course and upload that to Udemy, and all kinds of fun stuff you can do. But in this one, we are going to just take the first one right here and go to it. And we will just say, what is the science of yoga? And for just the purposes of the video, you would grab the entire chapter, right? Grab the entire chapter and all the settings. But for now, just because of the video, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm just going to select 260 words. So I'm going to copy this, right? We're going to come back over here to our web browser, and then we're going to go over to this software called Vidnami. Now, if you're interested in getting Vidnami, then you can go ahead and check the link out below as well. This is my go-to software for creating quick Udemy courses with PLR content and quick YouTube video for my YouTube channels. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and just go create a new video in Vidnami. And then we can go over, and we are just going to do a content video. And then you can separate it by format. We're going to go with landscape because this is a YouTube video. So then you can go over here and grab different ones. Let's just go with corporate blue on this one. and use this template. So we already copied that text. I'm going to go ahead and do a Control V and just paste this down here. We can let the software, there's advanced settings down here. We can let the software pull everything for us. We're going to go ahead and keep, we can actually hide all the text if we wanted to with this. So you can hide the text and then go ahead and create scenes. Now the software is going to go out there right now and it's going to create a video for us. It's really, really cool. It's going to do all the hard work, heavy lifting for us. We didn't even have to go out, and we have the access and rights to use the text as is, right? And nobody's doing this, putting in the effort with the PLR content. And so it's going to bring in nice videos. And then so for the start of the video right there, I'll go ahead and come over here and I will bring in the text for this. And then I might come over here and put it down here. And then we will move forward to the next part. And then it'll just start bringing in, you know, this is great. People have been practicing yoga for thousands of years. And it kind of seems like this footage right here, you know, they made a scene that looked like it's very old. And then you just keep coming through here, and I just skim through all these. There's 31 slides, and I just see if there's anything that's not related to yoga, then I'll go ahead and I'll kind of get rid of it. But in this case, yeah, like this one right here, I don't really know if I like this one. Modern scientific research has shown. So even though that's science, it's pulling in scientific research, which, you know, technically that is a great picture for scientific research, but really it's about what's happening next. We really just want to go, I'm going to see if I can find something better than scientific research. And we might even go to images. So maybe something where it's not, yeah, something where they're just talking. I think that one's good. All right. So then we'll just keep going. Improves the body. But surprisingly, some scientific research has shown that it improves the brain as well. So that is them studying the brain, and maybe they're studying the brain, you know, what the improvements of yoga. Maybe that guy's been doing yoga, for a long time. So, then you can just scroll through here and look at all the different slides. And each time there's like a new topic or you know, then you can actually come in here. Like right here, you could bring the text in real quick. It keeps us focused on the present, and then leave it. And then keep going, right? Yoga won't provide untold riches, so then you can grab the text. So I only bring in the text sometimes, right? So it'll just look really nice. And it kind of helps with the video. And then, you know, bring in some text some more. And then when you're done with this part, going through the whole thing, right? It brought in very relevant images and video. Then we're going to come down here to the bottom. Now you can record the voice and do a voiceover yourself, or you can outsource this to Fiverr. You can go over to Fiverr and hire a voiceover artist for $5 to $10 to do this, or you can just, you know, there's channels, and I didn't pull up any for this video, but there's channels that have automated robot voices, AI, artificial intelligent voices, and they do just fine. They have hundreds of thousands of subscribers because the information is good and the voice is really good. Now, the cool thing about Vidnami is that they have really good voice track automated voiceovers that you can do as well. So you can come over here. You have different options. You can do no voice and just add music. You can record your own voice track inside the software, which is cool. And I'm not going to go over that feature right here because it's not really a tutorial on Vidnami. But then you can upload, this is where you would upload your own voiceover if you recorded it or had it recorded. But in this case, we're going to go with the easy route and an auto voice, and you have different ones to select, right? And we can go with Luke, Harvey, Oscar. Let's go with, let's see, you can play some samples.
Oscar, and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back.
Is Heidi, and I would love to read the script for your video.
Is Anna, and I would love to read the script for your video.
That one's really good. I like that one.
Is Olivia, and I would love to read the script.
Let's go with Anna and let's do preview video. And so now it's going to go out there and it's going to finalize the video. It's going to bring in the automated voice and match it to the text and the scenes, and it's going to do all that for us automatically, which is just awesome, right? All right, so then it pulls up a finalized version, and then you can push play. You can push play to sample it out. You can also choose music over here, and we're going to go with just an inspiring or maybe a relaxing music over here. All right, we're going to go with that one. And then you can just say looks good. And then it's going to do its final thing. And then we're going to go ahead and generate video. While it's generating the video, then once it's done rendering the video, then it'll give you a download button. You will download that, and then we'll take a look in just a sec. All right, it's done rendering. That actually does take a couple minutes, and then we'll push the download video button. This one is 18 megabytes, and then we'll take a look at it.
People have been practicing yoga for thousands of years. While the original purpose was to elevate to a greater spiritual level, it became clear that yoga benefits the person as a whole. Modern scientific research has shown that the tremendous overall health benefits of a yoga lifestyle. Yes, yoga does improve the body, but surprising scientific research has shown that it changes the brain as well. It's about becoming a better version of yourself and getting in touch with the real, authentic you as the brain becomes more uncluttered. It keeps us focused on the present. While yoga begins on the mat, it extends to our entire day as greater compassion and awareness becomes a part of our life. Yoga won't provide untold riches, although the physical benefits are remarkable. The world is already filled with abundance, much of which we ignore. The real beauty of yoga is that it grounds us to the present, connecting us to the abundance that is within our grasp. A better, more fulfilled life is within our reach when we let go and simply accept what is there. Each yoga pose, which usually involves stretches, has its own purpose and benefit. The practitioner becomes aware of tension and learns to release it. Yoga poses are very specific, and perfection comes with practice, but it is not the ultimate goal. Yoga involves a lot of stretching, but, more importantly, it creates balance by increasing flexibility and strength. Whatever type of yoga you practice, your body and mind simply improve.
All right, so you can see the very high quality, and actually I'm very impressed. They've improved the AI voiceovers, and those voiceovers are extremely clear. There's nothing that's holding you back from, if you're a viewer of that video, you're not going to turn it off and not get the information. The voiceover is actually pretty darn good, so I'm pretty impressed with that. And so, you can see towards the end there was one image that was duplicated that you would just switch that out and make sure you don't use the same content throughout the video. But, you can, in order to create that 1.5 minute video, that can take you up to an hour, and we just did it in less than 10 minutes. That can take you up to an hour, and I do this with using some other softwares. You have to go and get all the different video and images and download each one and then upload them all and then sync the voice and all that. So, you have to do a lot of video editing with other softwares. And Vidnami is an AI video creator, and it does it all for you very quickly. So if you are interested, you can go and click a link below. There is, I will put a 25% off link below in the description. So you'll get a 25% off because the normal price is, okay, so I put some stats over here. So just click the link below if you are interested in picking up a Vidnami, and you can crank out these videos. You can crank out multiple ones per day and really be on your way to building a strong YouTube channel. The normal price is $47. And if you go to the website right now, you can double check that. It's $47 normal price. And that's still actually a killer deal, because they used to have, when it was Content Samurai, it was actually $97 a month. So it's half that now as a normal price. And then you can get a 25% off with the link below. And that 25% off brings your cost per month to just $35 per month. So thank you for your time today. That is how you can make money with PLR content and make videos and build your YouTube presence. See you in the next video.